Press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos, and please subscribe. Hello and welcome to Homespun Recipes. I'm Karishma, your host, and today I will show you how to grill chicken in a microwave oven. I will show you the microwave setting as well as how to prepare the chicken for grilling it. Let's begin by marinating the chicken. Take a mixing bowl and add the chicken pieces to it. I am adding boneless chicken pieces. This is 200 grams of chicken. Let us start adding the ingredients for marinating the chicken one by one. First thing that I am adding is lemon juice, about 8 to 10 drops of it. Quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon to 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder. Salt according to taste. One teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now mix everything very well so the chicken pieces get coated with the spices nicely. Now add about half a teaspoon of kasuri methi, two teaspoons of cooking oil, now I will add a quarter teaspoon of crushed black pepper and a little amount of food color. This is optional. You may skip food color if you don't wish to add. Now take the tray that you are going to use for grilling the chicken. I have this tray and I will grease it with a little amount of oil and smear the oil on the tray. Place the chicken pieces which we have already marinated on the tray and spread them so that they have some space between each other. Now this tray is ready to go inside the microwave oven and we will start grilling the chicken in the microwave. As you can see, I have placed the tray on top of a rack, and now I will close the microwave oven and show you the setting that I am going to use today for grilling chicken. Now I will show you the setting that I am going to use to make grilled chicken in microwave oven. And first what I need to choose is the mode, and I am selecting grill combination mode, and then I will select the temperature that I have chosen 180 degrees over here, you can see, and finally time. So the time that I am setting here is 11 minutes. So the grilling process has started. As you can see, the timer is on, and we will check our chicken after 11 minutes. This chicken has been grilling in the microwave oven for 11 minutes, and now let us see how it looks. So the chicken is almost done. We only need to turn the side of the pieces so that the other side of the pieces also gets grilled. So the chicken is back into the microwave oven, and now I will show you the setting again. This time we will increase the temperature of the grill. Last time we grilled it in 180 degrees, and now I am setting it to 360 degrees grill combination mode, and the time will be around 6 minutes. So the chicken is out of the oven, and you can see how nicely it has grilled. So this is my style of making grilled chicken in a microwave oven. I will show you one piece how it looks. It has come out really crisp from the outer side, and it is soft from the inner side. Just see how nice it looks. So try it. And one tip I will like to give you here is, the moment you finish grilling your chicken, just take it out of the oven. Don't leave it in there, because it will continue to cook and it will lose its texture. So try this recipe. I'm sure you will love it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share this recipe with your friends. Thank you so much for watching me. I will see you in my next video.